Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, which includes listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses across these 4 areas. This initial assessment is crucial for developing an effective study strategy. Then, gather official IELTS preparation books and online resources to support your learning journey. A well-organized approach will significantly boost your chances of achieving your target score. To master each section, dedicate specific time to each skill. For listening, practice with podcasts and news, aiming to understand different accents and speeds. For reading, engage with academic articles and newspapers to build speed and comprehension. The writing section requires structured practice for both Task 1, which is often descriptive, and Task 2, an essay. Finally, for speaking, engage in daily conversations and record yourself to identify areas for improvement in fluency and pronunciation. Beyond section-specific practice, focus on building your core English skills. Systematically expand your vocabulary, especially academic terms, by using flashcards or a notebook. Review grammar rules, paying close attention to verb tenses, articles, and prepositions, as these are frequently tested. Practice pronunciation by mimicking native speakers and recording your own speech. Additionally, cultivate critical thinking skills, which are vital for understanding complex reading passages and formulating well-reasoned arguments in your writing. As you approach the exam, taking full-length practice tests is essential. Simulate exam conditions, including strict time limits to build stamina and familiarity. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, focusing on why you made errors, whether it was due to misunderstanding or time pressure. Develop specific time management strategies for each of the 4 sections. On exam day, remember to stay calm, read instructions carefully, and trust in your preparation. You've put in the work, so be confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.